it sounds like. Kind of got a really neat burbling exhaust note to it. I just can't believe that exhaust is $1,100. And turn signals are right here on the back foot peg. And then it looks like he put on some kind of aftermarket throttles, which are really cool. I like the sound of that. And aftermarket brakes and clutches. The tires, the chicken line right here is in perfect shape. They're just brand new. The disc brakes are perfect shape. It's actually got a kind of an orange sparkle. I don't know if you can see it. I had to drive 6 hours out of my town to get it. But when the wife said I could have it, then of course I told her the way it was going to be. All you married guys know what I'm talking about. I said, listen, I'm getting that bike too bad. She goes, okay, no problem. That's what an unmarried man thinks.